No matter how tight you can get your face skin to look, if you ignore the neck area, it is going to show signs of aging fast. So that's why I'm super excited about B-Poised. This is by MAELYS. It is a very nice neck cream. So this is what it looks like. It has a beautiful light pink color in it. And I'm just gonna put some on to show you guys. It just absorbs right into your skin. Doesn't leave any sort of like coloring or anything like that. So you're just gonna rub it on. So rub that in. And what you're gonna notice is that your lines and maybe any saggingness that you have is gonna start firming up. You can also use it here on your chest area as well. Has super neat ingredients like kangaroo paw flower extract, which I'd never heard of, so that sounds really cool. And you just have to massage it in till it's absorbed. That's all you need to do. So there's no extra steps with it. Super simple to use. Use it regularly and you're gonna start seeing some great results. I'm doing a 3-month test of it right now, so be sure to subscribe and check out that video coming soon.